Hey everybody, we are going to be starting our next batch of 15 hours of live classes for CELPIP this Friday. So in 2 days time, your teacher is once again going to be Daniela. She is one of our best, one of the most experienced CELPIP tutors in Canada. You will be getting materials on all of our modules, guidance, tips and tricks, feedback, templates, everything you need to know for your CELPIP exam. You can check out more details in the link in the description. So once you get started with these classes, first few classes are going to focus on the main strategies, the core topics, and you will be provided with material. You'll also be given homework, and you will get feedback in the next half of the classes. Once that is done, during the end, we're going to work on intense vocabulary, tough exercises, complex sentences to make sure you're ready for a perfect score or 9+ in the CELPIP exam. So if you're interested, slots are limited, especially once these videos get released. They're really limited. So check it out. It's in the description, the link where you can register if you have any questions. My email is in the description as well. Join us, learn CELPIP, make sure you get a great score. And again, check out the link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions.